Welcome to the world of Tripwix. Not just another rental company, but a team of professionals dedicated to changing the face of luxury home hospitality, one house at a time. This is how it works. We fully inspect every property on our website. It's all about the beds. So, Tripwix is the only rental company that actually evaluates every single bed in every single house that we visit. Because not all beds are made equal, and sometimes the kids' room isn't made quite the same as the master bedroom. So we want you to know exactly what you're getting in each room. It's a horrible job. And it's all in the detail. And behind me are a perfect example of excellent carpentry work. Very, very Mexican in style. So here we have a property with a great example of what to do and what not to do in a bathroom. And as you can see, this bathroom is quite spectacular. It's got amazing marble details, lots of different types of marble, great recessed lighting, details in the ceiling there with a recessed ceiling, overhead lighting which is fantastic over the mirror, and just really a very luxurious bathroom. And lots of lovely details, the marble towel holders, the multiple different colours of marble. We've got the hairdryer under there and a scale, which is unusual and super nice detail. So some lovely bedside details here. Really pretty and whole. Little setup here, the details in the bedside is quite gorgeous. Just the green, the lovely bottle. I'm just going to unveil this here. It's beautiful linen with the monogram of the property. All of these little tiny things are what go into making a superb experience. And as I've said before, it does not have to be a 5-star hotel. The overall home experience.
So you might think that all we do at Tripwix is see how comfortable the sofas are and the beds and the towels, but we also check out the kinds of views that you're going to be seeing, where you might want to have a cocktail, where you might want to just escape from the group that you've spent all day at the pool with. And those are the kinds of things that make the houses we choose for you so special. Hectares with wild animals, incredible architecture, stunning interiors, excellent staff, and beaches galore.
Our local ambassadors guarantee it. Each local friend of a friend has deep roots in the community and is there to guarantee your stay.
Hello, I'm Anil. I was born and raised here, and this is my town, Kalkan. I'll be more than happy to introduce you to Kalkan and share this beauty with you.
Hey guys, this is Ali, Punta Mita Tripwix Ambassador.
Hello guys, I'm Claudia. I'm the concierge here in Punta Mita.
So here we are in Ranchos Estates in Casa Manzanilla, getting ready for the check-in. So hopefully you will be our next guest.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruby. Very nice to meet you. I am the ambassador of Los Cabos for Tripwix. I'm here at beautiful Villa Las Arenas in San Jose del Cabo, Baja California Sur, and I look forward to helping you plan your travel and make the best of your stay here visiting us. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is Mário Moraes and I'm the Tripwix ambassador here in Portugal in the Algarve, and I want to welcome you to my beautiful region. Come and enjoy in this beautiful paradise.
and your non-Googleable experiences.
This is Miguel and Lisa from Tripwix in Quinta do Crasto, contributing for the Vintage Cohort 2021.
Come and experience the Tripwix world. Lisa checking in here for Tripwix just to really reaffirm that not only do we inspect everything, all of our properties, our villas, our apartments, also our boats, but we re-inspect. We leave nothing, no corner, pillow or sofa unturned. And today I'm back on the Miss B doing a re-inspection in Bodrum, here with the beautiful chef of Miss B, who was not here when I was here last time, but is just waiting for Tripwix guests.